Good morning, students. In our last class, we have started the lesson Little Bobby. So, in that, we have seen that Bobby was a troublemaker and he wished to have a bike for his birthday. So, his mother asked him whether he deserved a gift for his birthday and asked him to write a letter to God that how he was in the past year. So till there we have seen in our last class, and today we will be continuing the remaining part of the lesson. So we will see what letter he has written to God. Letter 1. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend Bobby. So, in the first lesson, the first letter, what he was writing to God, Dear God, and what he is writing, I have been a very good boy this year. So, he want a bike for his birthday, and even he was also mentioning the color of the bike, it should be red one. So, your friend Bobby. Bobby knew that this wasn't true. He had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. So even Bobby also knew that uh, he was not a very good boy in that year. So uh, what did he do? He tore that letter and he started writing the letter again. So, what did he write the other letter? Letter 2. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year. I would like a bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. So, in the second letter, what he is writing? Dear God, I am your friend Bobby and I have been a good boy this year. So, the first letter he was writing that he was a very good boy, and whereas in the second letter he was writing that he was a good boy and he would like to have a red bike for his birthday. And he is writing, thank you, your friend Bobby. And see here, Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. So he tore up that letter and started again. So Bobby knew that that was not true. What even the second letter, what he has written, that he have been a good boy this year. So that was also not true. So he knew that. So for that, what did he do? Again he tore up the letter and again he started writing the other one. See the letter 3. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Bobby. So in the third letter, what did he write? He was writing that he have been an okay boy, not very good nor good. He was an okay boy in that year. But still he want a bike for his birthday. So he was writing that. Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. So what did he knew? He could not send that letter to God in that way. So again he started writing the fourth letter. We will see what is that fourth letter. Fourth letter. God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I'm very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please. Thank you, Bobby. So, in this fourth letter, what he is writing? God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. So, he's telling that I know that I was not a good boy in this year. So, for that, he is telling I'm very sorry. And he is telling that I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. So he is telling that if you send me a bike for my birthday, then I will be a good boy. And he is pleasing and thanking God, saying, Please, thank you, Bobby. Bobby knew even if it was true, the letter was not going to get him a bike. So even Bobby knew that it was true. If that letter is true also, he know that that letter will not get him a bike. Then what did Bobby do? Now Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. So, after writing the 4 letters, what did he do? Bobby was very upset and he went downstairs. Means he went down to his mother and he told his mother that he want to go to church. Then Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked, as Bobby looked very sad. Just he be, just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Then Bobby's mother thought that her plan was working. Why why did she thought like that? By seeing the face of Bobby very sad, and she asked him to come in time for dinner. Then Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. So, what did this Bobby do? He walked down the street to the church in a corner, and little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Altar means a holy table in a church or a temple. So, he went inside the church and he went up to the altar. He looked around to see if anyone was there. So he went near the altar and he was looking around that anyone was there. Then Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. Then, after seeing round, what Bobby has done, he bent it down and he picked up a small statue of Mary. Who is Mary? The Mother of God. And he slipped the statue under his shirt. What did he do? He took that statue and he hid the statue under his shirt, and he ran out of the church, down the street, into the house, and up to his room. So he took that statue and he was hiding that statue under his shirt, and he ran out of the church, and he was running in the street, even into the house, and till he reached his room he was running. And then what did he do? He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. Then what did he do? He went inside his room and he closed the door of that room, and he sat down and he took a piece of paper and pen. And what did he do? He began to write a letter to God. So what he was writing, it is the 5th letter. God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the bike, Bobby. So what he has written in this letter, in letter 5, he was writing that, God, I have kidnapped your mother. See the thinking of that boy, that when he went to the church and he stole the statue of Mary, and he is it's just like a warning to God, saying that I have kidnapped your mother. So if you want to see her again, means if you want to see your mother again, you have to send me the bike. Means he's blackmailing God. So in the first letter, what did he write? He has written that he was a very good boy. And in the second letter, he was writing that he was a good boy. And in the third, he was a okay boy. And in the fourth, he has written that I was not a good boy in this year. So 4 letters he has written in that way. Whereas in the 5th letter, he has written that he has kidnapped the mother of God, and if God want to see his mother again, God has to send him the bike. See that how this boy was thinking. Means is there any change? Means do you think what this Bobby's mother has expected from him, a change in his behavior? But we can't find the change in in his behavior, because he didn't realize he was still means he's still a troublemaker, he's still a mischievous boy, isn't it? So I hope you have understood this lesson, and this lesson is written by Richa Rao. So we'll be continuing the remaining part of the lesson in our next session. Thank you. Have a good day.